Before we start, look at this super cool computer beautifier. Make your computer stand out by animating things. This not just works offline, but its online mode works whenever you search and browse things online. This comes with a beautiful animated search engine. This search engine is made to make your searches smoother and attractive, unlike other search engines. When it comes to a browsing mode, it makes browsing ultra smoother. This adds Princeton's animations to make it even more classy. You get a customizable interface with this. This is Volvo Beautifier. Get your hands on, try it yourself. It is fun when you use it.
It is just a two-step process to fix Windows 10 store error 0x8000FFFF in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type services. Click here to open it. Scroll down and search for Windows Update. Right click on it. Click on Properties. Okay, now set startup type as automatic. Then click on Apply. Then click on Start. And then click on OK. Close this. Then click on Start icon. Then select Settings. OK. Search for Store. Select it and click on Advanced Options. Now click here to reset Microsoft Store. Then click on Reset. That's it. Close this window. Try to open Store. That's it guys, your problem is solved. You're good to go.